Welcome. This is Purpose Creation. And today's presentation, we are going to learn another interesting hairband. This time around, we are not using Alice hairband, but we are using a fascinator wire that has been molded in a form of Alice band. We are going to need two of that. Then our pearls, I'm using the bigger ones, and then the medium one. I'm using blue and white. Our normal golden bead, our scissors, our glue gun, and then our satin ribbon. Crystal tape. Sorry for that. I'll just cut my crystal tape. Then I'll pick two of the blue pearls and two of the white pearls, just like any other normal beading. It's when we are applying it on the wire that we are going to use the golden bead. So you have to watch till the end of the presentation before you can get the full meaning of what we are doing. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. And for my cherished viewers, please don't just view the videos, but subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that each time a new video is posted, you would see it and watch it. Once again, thank you all for subscribing and viewing my videos. Continue to like my videos and share them. Your comments are also welcome. I do post 2 videos in a week, so please watch them for me. And continue to like the videos. It's really important for me. Like my videos and let the comments come as well. Your suggestions are also welcome. If you have any video that you want me to present on, you can do so by telling me in the comment section. We are almost ending the first part of this presentation. I'll just go on and we will not cut it, we will leave it. Then you would pick 2 of the gold bead. And you would pick 2. Hope you are following what I'm doing. So as you are doing, then you are slipping the fascinator wire. We are almost and we are just fading in with the gold beads. So we are feeding in with the gold bead. At this point, we will just cut our excess thread. The knot has to be very strong so that after cutting the excess thread, it won't untie itself, but we will secure it with a glue. We are almost done. Very beautiful. I told you you should watch till the end so that you can see the beauty of what we are doing. At this point, we are coming to cover the tip of the wire. So we are using the satin wrapper to cover the tip, because if you leave it like that and a person is wearing it, it can hurt the person because of the pointed tips. Just cut a ribbon, you fold into two. This is what we are going to do. We are making it very thick. And you leave it for it to dry out. We repeat for this side. Our hairband is ready. Hope you really enjoy it. Bye bye.